So here figure shows the speed versus time graph for a particle. To find the distance traveled by a particle during time t equals to 0 to t equals to 3 seconds, using this speed versus time graph we will calculate area under the graph, since area under the speed time curve represents the distance traveled by a particle. So here given that graph is triangular graph, the area of the triangle is nothing but area equals to half into base into height. The base of triangle corresponds to the time duration, that is 1 into 1 by 2 into the base is 3 into height is, that is height of triangle correspond to the speed, that is at t equals to 3 second, which is 6. So if we multiply these three numbers, half, 3 and 6, we will get 9 meter. So the distance traveled by the particle during t equals to 0 to t equals to 3 second is 9 meter. This is the capital D, that is distance traveled by a particle. Whenever we have given a speed versus time graph and the graph is linear, then we need to find the area under the curve to get the distance. Or if the graph is triangular or rectangular, trapezoid, quadrilateral, etc., then distance is nothing but area under the curve in speed versus time graph. If the graph is curvature, then to find the distance traveled by the particle in speed versus time graph, we need to integrate the given equation. Equation will be given to you. You need to integrate the equation from t equals to something to t equals to something to get the distance traveled by the particle in speed versus time graph. So here the graph is triangular graph. It is not a curvature, it's a triangular graph. Hence, we have calculated the area under this, or area shaded by this triangle, that is area of the triangle. The triangle here, it is rectangle, right angle triangle. Hence, the area is base into height, and base is 3, which is time duration, and height is the velocity, or we can say the speed. That is the maximum speed at t equals to 3 is 6 meter per second. So we have used the given data and we have calculated the distance traveled by the particle, which is equals to 9 meters.